So now the reason why I'm using an MCP server is because it makes the building of these agents quite a bit easier. So when you start to build out these agents, it becomes quite complex once you start to have a bunch of different tools like we have here. And what the MCP server does is it keeps track of all of the different things that need to happen for any given tool, what fields that need to get filled out. You can use these description fields to determine what needs to happen and how it's supposed to get that information. And what the MCP server does is it gathers all of these tools and what's needed for each one of them. And then it's able to pass that back to the agent so that the agent knows exactly how to use those tools. But that is really only half of why this is really important. The way this system works is that not only can you interact with your content through the Telegram system, but you can also manage it through the Airtable system. Both of these systems are connected. In here, in this system, you can also use these actions to do the same thing. You can rewrite text, you can go text to AI video, you can create the tweet pic. And now there's two different systems that are actually doing the same thing. So now if I had this Telegram agent here and I built out all of these custom tools connected to the agent, and then I needed to also build out all of those tools for the content system here, I'm really doubling up the work. And then when I add new tools to Telegram, I'd have to come over and add new tools to KEDB Solo. And that's just going to create a lot of friction and a lot of added work. But if I just build out one MCP content repurposing server, both systems are able to connect just to the server. They know exactly how to use it. I can build one set of tools for two totally different systems, and I can easily connect up 1, 2, 3, or if I have other systems that I want to connect up later, I can connect as many different systems that I want up to this MCP server. And then each one of those systems will know how to use these tools without having to rebuild everything and re-describe everything, because it takes a lot of time to describe these different tools and get them working properly. With an MCP server, I only have to set that up once, and I can connect that up to as many different agents or applications as needed.